Guys, we got a 2025 Ford F250. It's gonna be from 21 to 25. We're gonna installing a hideaway kickers. So basically it's gonna be under the seat right here. It's gonna be under the passenger seat, and it doesn't seem like it's got an ANC to worry about. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be poking a hole using right there. You can poke it from the front, but I might have to go from the front. Now I'm on a passenger side. You see this rubber booth, grommet you call it. You can put an X on here. Make sure you're not hitting any wire. And make an X like this. Take a coat hanger and push it through. If you're gonna run a 4 gauge or something, you can wrap it right here, tape it up, and use a WD-40. Spray just a little bit, not too much. And now, in my case, it's different. So I'm gonna run the remote wire also instead of using the kicker's audio signal to get the remote output. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use this. So basically, I'm going to wrap it right here using a tape, and then I'm going to spray a little bit WD-40 right here. Just spray a tiny bit right there. This will make it slippery, okay? So let's try it, see if I cool it and not. All right, let's see. Usually I made a loop like this, but I don't want to do that. See, it's coming right through. Right here, I'm gonna make it enough wire. There's also a fuse that came with this red wire for the kickers, so I'm gonna put a fuse over here, and then tap it to the the battery positive side, and then remote. I'm gonna just figure out which one it is over here to tap it to. Well, I was looking for some wire around here for speaker wire. I'm afraid to tap to any of these because it could be something else. I could not find the exact wire that I was looking for, so I'm gonna tap it to this one, the rear one. It's easier. It's only a few wire that can definitely find that speaker wire. So I'm gonna take this white and gray. I'm gonna run over to that side, and then I'm gonna poke this through right here with the remote wire. Right here, gonna go through the seat underneath the passenger side seat front. I found a wire, so the positive one would be green and violet right there. That's positive, and then gray is negative. So I got white and gray, solid white and solid. Am I seeing it right? Okay, solid white and solid gray is positive, and then white black and gray black is negative. I'm just gonna tap it like that and fix the wire up. Tape it or zip tie it, and then now I gotta work on the ground. Now I attach the blue wire that I ran, and then I'm gonna fix this wire up, and then I'm gonna find the ground somewhere. So the customer want to keep it around here, so I had to figure out where my ground's gonna be at, because the ground is only about 2 feet. So I might try to pry this out because this is small amp. I'm not needing nothing crazy, or I can just make an X right here and make a ground right there. Now I crimp the ground. I'm gonna cut it to a spade. Cut each end right here and right here, right here and right here. Now that's a 1/2 inch bolt, so just keep tightening it till it's tight. So I'm gonna attach this is a 10 millimeter, this is 10 millimeters. So the red wire, I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter. As you can see, I pulled the wire pretty long out. So I took the fuse and crimped the two side right here. And then we're gonna use the ring terminal at the end to attach it to the 10 millimeter positive side. Removing the 10 millimeter. Not with my hand, but the socket. 10 millimeters. Put the 12-volt side in. Put it back using your hand. Don't try to use the wrench until it's going at least 3 times in. Use both hands, one hand hold this and tighten it. Now, as I mentioned about the remote wire, there's 2 options. You can use high pass right here to get the power to come on. Actually right there, auto turn on. You can use 12 volt or DC. So we're gonna go DC, we're not going to do 12 volt. 12 volt is when we hook up the fuse. So let's plug it in and turn the radio on, see if it come on. Saw the power already.